Today we're exploring some exciting English idioms related to traits and features. These phrases will help you express yourself in a more colorful and engaging way. First, let's start with clean as a whistle. This idiom means that something is absolutely spotless or completely honest and lawful. For example, after hours of scrubbing, the kitchen was as clean as a whistle. Next, we have over the top. When something is excessive or far beyond what is normal or suitable, we call it over the top. For instance, the decorations for the party were so over the top that it felt like a royal wedding. Now, let's look at draw the line. This idiom is used when someone decides on a boundary they won't cross, especially when it comes to unacceptable behavior or actions. For example, I enjoy a good joke, but I draw the line at ones that offend people. Another useful expression is add fuel to the fire. This idiom describes making a bad or tense situation even worse. For example, instead of calming the argument, his sarcastic comment just added fuel to the fire. Let's move on to a sight for sore eyes. This is used to describe someone or something that you are extremely happy to see. For instance, after a long trip, seeing my cozy bed was truly a sight for sore eyes. Next up, we have last word in. This phrase refers to the most modern, advanced, or best example of something. For example, this new smartwatch is the last word in wearable technology. Now, let's talk about out of this world. This idiom means that something is extraordinarily good or impressive. For instance, the chocolate cake she baked was out of this world. It was so delicious. Another popular idiom is under par. This describes something that is below the expected or usual standard. For example, his performance in the competition was under par compared to his usual excellence. Finally, we have steal the show. This means to get all the attention or praise because of an outstanding performance or achievement. For instance, the child actor stole the show with his incredible performance. And there you have it, 9 wonderful idioms to enrich your English vocabulary and conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips.